Hello, today we'll show you how to easily remove and replace the old damaged AirPod cushions on these Bose QC35 Gen 2 wireless headphones. It's very easy way to restore your headphones. Just buy new replacement AirPods. A link to them is in the video description. First, pull off the old AirPods. They are attached to the headphones by a few hooks that hold the edge of the AirPod in place. Remove the other AirPod in the same way. Then, if you want to install new fabric filters, remove the old ones as well. And also remove any leftover glue remains from the headphone housing. Next, remove the protective from the double-sided tape and attach the fabric filter. The right side is the one with the power button. In the same way, install second fabric filter. After that, place the new AirPod cushions on, ensuring they are hooked into a small hooks. This might require some finger training, but with practice, even after 5 hours of work, you will succeed. Having untrimmed fingernails is useful for this task, as they can help to get the edge of the AirPods behind the hooks more easily. In this way, put back both AirPods and you are done headphones restoration. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video, but now, good luck!